Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Find the predecessor of each of following integer. So here we have to find predecessor of below integers. So let us find out. So here minus 12, the predecessor can be calculated by just subtracting 1 from the given integers. So minus 12 minus 1 will give minus 13. Similarly, for the second option we can see it is minus 90. So minus 90 minus 1 will give minus 91. Similarly, the predecessor of minus 48 is minus 48 minus 1, that is minus 49, and the predecessor of minus 98 is minus 98 minus 1, which is equal to minus 99. So these are the answers.